In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can blur an image on canva.com. First things you need to do going on Canva, then you can see I open a design on my PC. So just click on this image, then go to the edit option. You can see this is edit option here. So just find out effect or effect option. You can see this is a blur option. Recently Canva an update, so this is a dashboard. So just click on whole image, then click on intensity. You can see it's already blur. You don't understand anything here. What's the background? If I going on 100, you can see it's a 100% blur image. So if it keep 50%, and I think you can do this work perfectly. So this is a method how you can blur an image on canva.com. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.